back on my channel. This is part number 2 of my brand new dance tutorial. So if you missed the first part, then don't forget to check it out over here. And without further ado, let's start with the first steps. All right, team, let's continue with part number 2. I hope you remember we finished here. Now we don't have lots of time. There is no break because the next move is on count 8 end. All right, so we're here on 8, and now immediately extend the left arm down, strong fist. This is our preparation for the next move. So drop the arms, the next move. Lift the left heel up and just pull the knee in. Wiggle in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Good. That's the lower body move. So let's have a look at the upper body move. We had the preparation move already. Now you pull the elbow up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. Just try it with me. Go ahead. Let's go. Up, down, down. Keep going with the arm. Don't think about it. And at the same time, you add the knee. Drop, drop, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. All right, this is the base of the next movement. Here, the move would look very stiff. So try to get the vibe, get the feeling again. And you have lots of possibilities to get the vibe. I love the movement the most when I go for left, right, left, right, left, right. Maybe you want to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Maybe you want to go back, back, and back. All right, so there are lots of possibilities. Put your individuality in here, your personality, and make it your move so you can really enjoy it and have fun with it. All right, so I prefer it with the movement left, right, left, right, left. Put it all together. Let's go. Hop and hop and hop. Good. Feel free to move your shoulders. In, elbow up. Let's try this move with music. All right. Good. So open your feet more than shoulder width apart. Let's start in 4, 3, just with the knee. Let's go. In, out. Catch the music first. Follow the beat. Get the rhythm. Whenever you're ready, add the arm, elbow, elbow. Feels a little bit stiff here, right? So move your upper body move. So we go down or up, or left and right, or back and center. Let's try. Hop. Good. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Good job. Now let's have a look at the next move. It's a ball change. So ball change from here means we have right, left. So first release the right foot off the floor, bring it in, and then you bring the left to the right. Boom. All right, ball change. From here, it's right, left. Try it with me. 7, 8, right, left. It's a little hop, a little jump. Don't think too high, otherwise you might be a little bit late. So it's just stay grounded. Ta-ta. Good. So strong in your upper body and just work with fast feet. Ta-ta. 7, 8, right, left. Good. 7, 8, right, left. You finished with this move, and then you have a little break. I know it's tough to hold a break, but let's hold the break together. It's count 3, and then you have on 4, and this is the ball change. Okay, so I count you through. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see, I move my right arm as well. So the left arm is already extended, and I just bend and extend. So you have 2 mini counts. You have and 4. The feet are right, left, and the arm is bend, stretch. Good. Let's bring it together. I count you through. You have the ball change on and 4. Let's focus. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Got it? One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Let's try it from this position. Let's go. So you hit the wall on 8. Then you have and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, same. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know this is tricky with the count 8 and with this preparation move. Let's try it again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the next step, we're gonna tap out, in, out, in, out. Let's tune in some music so it's a little bit more fun. Good. We try this move with the music, and then I show you the next move with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap out. Just repeat. It's the right, it's the left, it's the right, it's the left. Bring your hands onto your shoulders. Got it? Now have a look. Extend the right, extend the left. Whenever you're ready, follow me. Here we go. Right, A, left, A. Make it to your move. Feel free to move your chest, your hips. Make it bouncy. 4, and 3, and 2. Good. Let's stop here. Let's try it again from here. All right? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Add the arms out, in, woo. Add your groove. Maybe you want to come down low. Maybe you want to move your shoulders. Maybe you want to move your chest. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good. Let's slow it down without music. So we here count 8, and we have the knee and the elbow. 1, 2, hold, 3, ball change. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, just 2 taps with the feet. So you don't bring any weight on the foot. So the weight is on the base, foot under your hip here, and you're just tapping out. Imagine there are 2 buzzers, and you just tap on them. Good? Now the arms. When the right foot is tapping out, you extend the right arm, the other hand is on your shoulder. That's it. Bring it back in, extend, and then, as I said, maybe move your chest, open and close, move your hips. Hey, make it a fun move, all right? So that's the second part. Let's repeat. We have 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Last round. Then let's hit it with music again. Prepare. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap it out and in and out and in. Let's go with music. Don't forget the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start here. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enjoy. Party, party. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do everything from the very, very, very beginning with the first part. All right? Let's do it. Here we go. If you don't know the steps anymore, check out the first part. 5, 6, we point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Freestyle. Good job. Let's try one more time from the top. First and second part together. 5, 6, point, right foot, look to the side, manicure, flip it up. 5, 6, 7, hit it hard, and 1, 2, full change, ha, ha, out, in, out, freestyle. Team, I really enjoyed to dance with you. I hope you too. If you want to learn now part 3 and 4, then make sure to hop on over to my online studio over here and to watch the full tutorial over there, or check out this free YouTube dance tutorial over here. See you there.